Donald Trump just made a shocking announcement that could change how much money you keep in your pocket. Have you heard about Trump's new External Revenue Service? This isn't just another tax plan. It's designed to shake up the economy by collecting revenue from foreign sources instead of your paycheck. Curious about how this could impact your finances? Stick around to find out. Hello everyone. With Trump set to be inaugurated as the 47th president on January 20th, 2025, his plans are already stirring up significant discussion. The External Revenue Service could mark a pivotal shift in how we approach taxation and government revenue. But what exactly does this mean for you and the American economy? The proposed External Revenue Service seeks to collect revenue primarily through tariffs and foreign sources, rather than relying heavily on income tax from everyday citizens. Could this shift reduce the tax burden on average Americans? How do you feel about shifting taxes from income to tariffs? Share your thoughts in the comments. Tariffs are taxes imposed on imported goods, and the intention behind the ERS is to increase revenue through these duties. The administration believes that by doing so, we could decrease our reliance on cumbersome domestic income taxes. This has the potential to shift costs from taxpayers to global trade. While this might sound promising, it's essential to consider how tariffs could affect consumers. If businesses incur higher costs due to these taxes, they may pass those costs on to you, leading to higher prices for everyday items such as groceries and electronics. As we dive deeper, we must address potential ramifications for the economy. Critics argue that relying on foreign revenue through tariffs may lead to inflation, harming consumers by increasing prices on essential goods. How will this affect your budget in the long run? Have you noticed prices rising for items you regularly buy? Comment with your experiences. Not everyone is on board with Trump's tax plan. Many Democrats and economic experts have dismissed this initiative as unfeasible or unclear. Concerns range from how the IRS will adapt to this new paradigm to the overall economic impact of trade wars that might arise from adjusting tariffs on goods from other countries. Some even claim that the real financial future of the country could be at risk. So where do you stand? Are you excited about a potential change in tax policy, or do you have reservations? The goal is to reduce the tax burden on average taxpayers, making the tax system more equitable. Additionally, increasing tariffs on certain goods aims to bolster U.S. manufacturing, while corporate tax structures may undergo scrutiny to ensure fairness and accountability. The proposal also emphasizes the importance of reevaluating current trade agreements to enhance revenue and align with the new tax paradigm. Which of these policies do you think would make the most significant impact? Let us know. Trump's External Revenue Service represents a bold attempt to redefine how the U.S. manages its revenue and taxes. As the upcoming inauguration date approaches, the implications of this tax plan will undoubtedly remain in the spotlight. Could this be a turning point for the American economy? As we continue to monitor these developments, it's essential to stay informed and engaged. Your understanding of these changes can directly impact your financial decisions and future. If you found this discussion insightful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth analyses on economic policies and their impact on everyday life. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on Trump's proposed External Revenue Service? Share your opinions in the comments below, and let's get the conversation started. As discussions surrounding Trump's tax plan unfold, remember that change can bring both opportunities and challenges. Stay proactive about your financial future, keep an eye on updates regarding the External Revenue Service, and take action where necessary to ensure you're prepared for what lies ahead. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, take care and stay informed.